Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about how I decided to pivot in the middle of a hackathon. Shipaton has not even started yet, but I have already pivoted a bit. So you can see in the background I have Alex running, that is doing and working on something that I will talk later, and I have cursor open even though I'm not using cursor for iOS development. It's just that the new beta has this thing that it would mess up the voice really bad if I use Xcode in the background, so I don't want to take that risk. Anyway, so during the hackathon, if you watch my previous video, what I one of the judges mentioned somebody to have a calorie in and calorie out deficit way. So they had used created a calorie tracker app, macro tracker app, and I had created a fitness app. So they recommended them to add workout so that you can have the calorie in and the calorie out, and then you can see the number if it's a deficit or not. And used the same idea, and I was like, I can do the same. Like I just proposed that on spot, and I was not expecting myself to win because there was another one which had much more intensive work done, not in terms of the APIs itself, but more work. So when they announced my name that I'm winning, like Zenther AI won, and I like, wow, me. And when I was the stage, I'm like, I'm going to go bonkers for the next 1 week. And then I decided that this app will now also be a calorie tracker. So it's been 2 days since the hackathon. I slept like crazy for the first day because I had not slept for 36 hours. So now I have a main dashboard. I also have sleep tracking that I will show you later on. So if you go to nutrition, so I have a new I have added, still working on this page because I shipped it to the test light users. I will keep it very basic. You have the daily calories. I will have a onboarding that calculates your BMR and the basal metabolic rate and the total daily expenditure, which gives you a number. For me it is around 2350, and I'm just using, I vibe coded this, so this is the number. And based on that, or your goals on how much weight do you want to lose and muscles that you want to keep, you can also have the protein number. I want to have it is supposed to be around 160 for me, but that's too much, so I usually target around 120. I do not have much idea about the carbs and fat that I should take, so that is one thing I am learning while I'm creating this app. So now there are 4 points. One is the log food, scan barcode, photolog, voice log, the recent entries, and today's meal. So voice log is, it uses the same voice logger that I have created before for logging the workout, so it was just reusing the code itself. And then log food, it's a very simple one. On in Alex right now, it is literally working on it. And then we have the photolog. Photolog does nothing, scan barcode does nothing because these are very hard to implement, so I will work on it after this video itself. Then we have the macros breakdown. It's a very simple chart that will show the number of macros that I had and I should be having. So it's like it will be filled with very pretty charts, so you understand how much you need to take more, and you will have reminders, and kind of very similar to how I have on the dashboard where it says something uh, oh, here, that's buggy shit. Anyway, so so that is what I have for today, and I am excited, but I am also, I know that I am taking a very huge risk. It is 22nd. The hackathon is on 26th, so I need to prepare by everything by 25th because I also have to create a presentation. So I have like 2 or 3 days to create a whole calorie tracker app, even if it's a basic one with these 3 values. I don't think it's much. I already have the login to HealthKit and remove and edit. Everything is in the PR that is working on behind. So I know I will be able to nail it down by today itself. But yeah, there's a lot to do, and let's see how I will create the very pretty calorie deficit graphs, and that's something that I'm looking forward to as well. So have a great day and stay tuned for more of my work.